Today, we'd like to share our Cat6 23 AWG and shielded cable. Each of our Cat6 cable is packed in a color box with 305 meters. We have color gray, blue, white or other color for option, and PVC, LSZH and PE sheath for different applications. Here is our printing on cable sheath, verified by ANSI TIA 568 and ISO IEC 11801. After peeling the jacket, we can see 4 pair cores and the isolator clearly. We only use high conductive oxygen-free copper with 0.55 mm diameter. Perfect to match the size of Cat6 RJ45 plug and keystone jack. Provide stable connection with pins to provide 25 years using. Each of our Cat4V cable must pass following tests: tensile strength and elongation test for conductor, insulation, and sheath. Physical test to dimension of each part. Electrical test, DC resistance test of conductor. Data transmission test by network analysis tester. And fluker. Aging test with mechanical test. Low temperature test to insulation and sheath. Here are our test reports before delivery, and third-party certificates and reports. Thanks for watching. For more details, please contact us at export@aipuwatan.com.